What's up, Amazon shoppers? I want to show you this really awesome rolling garment bag. Now you want to talk about convenient features. I bought this one for my son. He does a lot of traveling for hockey and he absolutely loves it. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. First of all, at the back, you have a really nice little compartment for your handle in here, so you can actually roll it this way, nice like that. And then you just have to close it down. There's a great feature at the back where you can put your name and address in here. Look here, it has inline wheels and it changes direction really easily. I love that feature. It has a great buckle right here that you can use to secure other pieces of luggage too, with a nice secure clip like that. There's also these little clips here where a strap attaches, which comes with the luggage, so you can also carry this on your shoulder if you don't want to wheel it. In addition to that, it has two sections here that are zippered. This one here is really great for putting in a pair of shoes or some other small items like that. You also have this other handy external bottom section here, which would definitely be a good spot to put your shoes. Let's open up the inside. It does come with luggage locks, so you can secure the locks closed when you're traveling. You always want to make sure that nobody can get into your stuff. Let's lay it down and zip it up and see what's in it. So when we open it up like this, you've got some really great features. This here is a zippered section where you can keep your hangers. You also have a strap here for securing your suit once you actually put it in. And let's look at what the other sections are. I'm just going to spin the bag around so you can see it. What you can do is you can actually put hangers inside here so that you can secure your suit. This will hold an entire suit. Put the suit in, close it like that, zip it up and carry it. I will give you a demonstration at the end. We're going to go through the features first. So you've got these two zip compartments on the side here, which are great for storing little small things that would get bumped around inside. One here and one here. As I mentioned before, it comes with a strap, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. And it also has this hook for hanging your suits as well. Now these compartments also come out with Velcro, so you can use them or not use them as you choose. Now I'm going to show you how much we can get into this really great rolling garment bag. So I'm going to start with my son's suit. So as I said before, you've got this little hook in here that the hangers can connect to, like that. So we've got suit pants, we've got a shirt, we've got a suit jacket, a nice polo shirt, just like that. Now we can secure all of these with a strap that's right underneath here. You just undo the hook just like this, and you can lay your clothes out so that they don't get all tossed around in here. You can put it just like that and secure your strap nice and tight so that everything lays flat. So I've got all this done. I'm going to close the top just like this. And now I have these little side sections here. So I'm going to put some socks in here. I'm going to put some underwear on the other side here. And you can see that I still have a lot of room to pack things. So you can even put in pants and sweatshirts, toiletry bag, anything else like that. Once you're done putting everything in here, you can just fold it up like this and do up your zippers, just like that. And you've got your suit and all your other clothes right in this bag. As I mentioned before, there's a nice shoulder strap right here that clips on. And you also have the option of carrying this one on your shoulder. Just like that. Nice and convenient. You can also attach other things here. Now I thought I'd give you an illustration. We've zipped it up, we've picked it up, and now I want to show you that everything stays really nice when you put it in here. So I'm going to lay it flat, and I'm going to unzip it just like this, nice down. We'll open it up, and you can see that everything has stayed exactly as we packed it before. That is one of the greatest reasons to get this garment bag, because you can put everything in, nothing gets wrinkled and tossed around, and everything is organized really nice for you when you open it up again. If you are looking for a really great garment bag that isn't just a garment bag, that acts as a suitcase, that allows you to carry your suits without them getting all wrinkled, that gives you the ability to carry your shoes and your accessories and the other clothes you need for your trip, this one here, this rolling garment bag, is absolutely a family favorite at our house.